Hey everybody, welcome back to the MindCatcher's channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some products from Glam, New York. This company is very well known for their beautiful gel nail polishes. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the starter kit. Super easy kit. They give you just about everything you need to have a beautiful, long-lasting manicure. In the kit, you will be receiving your LED lamp, 3 colors of your choice, wrap foil, a wood stick, a nail file, and your adapter. Sold separately would be your soak-off top gel and your soak-off base gel. In my kit, I was given 3 beautiful springtime shades. The first shade is called Tangerine Dream, and I love the idea of putting the swatch on the top because the bottles are dark, so you'll always know what shade you're picking up. And here's a swatch of Tangerine Dream. This next gorgeous shade is called You're the Pink. And the last shade, Bright Honey. Alright guys, our first step in applying the gel nail polish is to apply your base coat. You're going to use a nice thin even layer of base coat, and you're going to cure that layer by putting your nail underneath the Glam LED lamp for about 2 minutes, and that is what we call curing. So you're going to allow that layer to technically dry. Next, you're going to apply the color of your choice. You're going to do a nice thin even layer, and then you're going to place this nail underneath the LED lamp for about 2 minutes for it to cure. After your first coat, you're going to want to apply a second coat so you can have maximum opacity, and you're going to place it underneath the lamp for another 2 minutes to cure. Alright, now it's the fun part. We're going to add that beautiful glossy top gel coat. You're going to apply a nice thin even layer across the top, and you're going to allow this one to cure. After curing your top coat, you're going to feel that the nail is a little sticky to touch. That's okay. That's what it's supposed to feel like. You're going to go ahead and get a little bit of alcohol, and you're going to wipe off that sticky film, and your nail is in pristine condition, nice and glossy, beautiful. It's going to last you 2 weeks or even more. And I was just so surprised how easy this was. Look at that nail. Gorgeous. To order from Glam, please use my 30% off discount code and check bar below. Alright guys, hopefully that was easy enough for you. And right now, if you'd like to stick around, I'll show you a manicure I did on my 8-year-old daughter's hands. You guys know little girls don't keep nail polish on much longer than a day or so. So this was a great opportunity to try something new and to have a lasting manicure on her hands. I feel very confident in the product because it is cruelty-free and vegan. It's a 9-free formula, so I don't feel scared about any bad or harmful chemicals touching her skin. So here I am just cleaning up her nail beds with the wooden stick that's provided in the starter kit. After that, I had her wash her hands, and I went over her hands with a little bit of alcohol to get rid of any excess oil. Now we're going to apply the Glam base coat. We're going to allow that layer to cure for 2 minutes. She chose the shade Tangerine Dream, so we're going to apply that to the nails, and then we're going to allow this coat to cure for 2 minutes. And here's this little lady's second coat. And of course, we're going to allow the second coat to cure for 2 minutes. Alright guys, after that second curing, I decided to do something fun. She wanted to play around with some polka dots, so we took some of the other shades and created little dots on her nails using my dotting tool. Of course, after applying the dots, you would have to cure the dots so that they won't move or mess up, and then you're going to apply your top coat at the end and cure again. So a super cute Easter mani for little Nadia, and she was very excited by it, and so was I. I hope that you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Please check out my description box for everything about Madam Glam. Pricing and everything will be down below. Thank you so much, Madam Glam, for allowing me to review for you. Cyber kisses, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.